We're creating a rating system, and I want to put next to each person's name a letter, and I want to get a number here in the C column. So how do I do this? I'm going to have to do this in two separate steps. One, I'm going to have to create a drop-down menu here, and I'm going to have to also create a VLOOKUP table and do a little bit of a VLOOKUP here in C. It's going to be fairly simple, but just follow along. Right-click, drop-down, and here we'll put our drop-downs as A, B, C, D, E, F. Click Done, and now I can copy that. Drop-down menu and put it as many places as I want, and now I can click and select the rating. But where do I get the points from? Well, we're going to create a little table here, A, B, C, D, E, F, and the points, 70, 60, let's give 50 here. And so now here's the rating and the points that I want. Now this table could be on another tab, on another sheet. It's okay, but we're going to put it right here. And here under points, we're going to do VLOOKUP equals VLOOKUP. Make sure you have that. We're going to search for whatever's in the B2 cell here. And we're going to look at the range of this table that we just created. And we're just going to select it. Again, this could be on another tab. Now, another comma and index. Now, index means which column are we going to look at when we find this A. It's always going to look for the first column. It's always going to look there. And then say, which column do we want to get the result from? Well, we want the second column, or 2. And here we can say, is it sorted or not? This is optional. We don't have to say this, but I always like to put in false just in case it is not sorted or it gets sorted in a different way. Hit enter after you end that parentheses, and you can see this rating is 100 if we have a B here and maybe an E or an F as well. Maybe Dave got an A, and we can copy paste this down as many times as we want. But check this out. We get an NA. Sometimes we don't like that. We don't like to see or rather, actually, we did get a little error here because we forgot to put a $sign in front of the 1 and the 7 so that it actually stays. There we go. Now it'll stay. And now the only NA is where it's blank. So if, say, we had a blank here, a couple blanks, we have NA. Sometimes we don't like to see that. So we'll put if NA around the whole thing. We'll wrap around it, parentheses, and then end parentheses. Sorry, just before we do the parentheses, a comma, and then put nothing so that we actually see nothing there. We could also put a little thing and say enter rating, and now we have a little message that says enter rating. Okay, let's say put a B, and we get the points or the score here from this VLOOKUP table. Isn't that cool? Hope you enjoyed that. You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos, get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.